how to set level thumbnails in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, I have entered levels, and this level is level all. You make sure and select it, right key, and select Access Action, select the Capture Thumbnails. And here you can see we have set the thumbnails successful. And if I do it again, I do it another level, and you will see the same thumbnail is setting, but it's not the right. We need to enter this level, and we choose the right views. And now I do it again. And yeah, you can see another level's thumbnail is successful setting. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.